y'all, welcome back. Got a 1987 Suzuki 650 Savage. It's over there on the lift, way over there. As you can see, I got a full house. It's crazy in here right now. I'm tiptoeing around everything. I got to move everything out the shop every time I want to work, but it's been raining for pretty much the whole week, so I'm behind. That paint job y'all will see before this video comes out. That one's already, that'll be probably what the last video is. Anyways, got this Savage 650 over here, and I got it basically a barn find type story, and it's already sold. Got a local guy here in my town that he's familiar with my work, and he wants it. And so getting it done up the colors he wants, the way he wants it done. And yeah, it's been sitting in a barn for 24 years, or a shop or whatever for 24 years, and it was taken apart for reasons unknown and started up. I'll show you that clip right now. Do that before I even started making a video, because I knew nothing about this bike and I didn't know if it would even crank or anything. Everything was disconnected. There was no battery, there was no carburetor, there was no nothing. So I wanted to do a little tinkering before I went any further with it. So that's why we're picking up the video now. But the bike's already 90% torn apart. I got to get the back fender off, and that's pretty much it. And then gonna do a paint job. So yeah, let's get started. We interrupt our regular scheduled programming to bring you this message. If this is how you wire, don't ever work on a motorcycle again. Ever. Don't wash it, don't ride it, don't even look at it. I don't know what this is. This was all wrapped in a bundle and all that electrical tape on it. Yeah. I have no idea what the hell this is about. Don't do that though, guys. Be better, do better. Alright, I'm going to show y'all a little trick I used to do a lot. I don't do single color paint jobs hardly ever anymore, so I don't use it anymore. But what you do is you take your last little bit of color and you can put your clear in with it. And it's like a single stage at that point. You have color and clear mixed. And it just gives you the deepest, wettest looking paint, because that clear also has the base coat. Pull. Pull. Yeah. Pick it up. All right. Now bring it down.